And welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We are going to make our first outside the box card using elements from the January 2022 paper pumpkin kit called Kisses and Hugs. So what do I have here to make this card? I have got a very vanilla card base in a tent fold. I have got the inside of one of the envelopes. I cut it down to 5 3/8 across by 4 1/8. So it basically fills with just that little bit of border around the edge. And I'm sorry, it's very reflective in the light. I've taken one of the cards, the trifold cards, and I've cut it. What I did was I kind of rounded this edge. The gold lines don't go all the way to the edge, but it looked kind of strange just cut off straight. So I kind of rounded that edge when I cut it out. I have used the heart punches to make the centers. And what I did was I took one of the hearts. I cut this card up so I had this blank one, and I gold heat embossed "You Are Always in My Heart" from the Always in My Heart stamp set. And then I punched it out with the straight edge punch, and I used gold foil paper to punch out the scalloped heart. So I am going to put this card together. I am flat mounting the envelope to the card base. I'm just going to line that up, knowing that I've got that really narrow margin. There we go. And now I am going to dimensionalize this piece onto the card, and it fits perfectly on my card base, which is 5.5 by 4 1/4. So this fits perfectly 4 1/4 this way. So I'm just going to pop some dimensionals on, and these are the mini dimensionals that came in the kit. So I'm just going to put a few of them around, just so that we know we've got it stuck down well. Let's put one more down. All right. So kind of building this on the fly. I've got the idea in my head. I know what I want it to look like. So let's see what happens when the card is made. Okay. Oh, I've got one more to peel off there. Okay. So I'm just going to pop this down right in the middle of the card. Right like that. And you can see it absolutely fits perfectly in that space. I'm going to flat mount the greeting that I punched out onto the gold foil paper scalloped heart. Just pop that down like that. And I'm going to dimensionalize this piece too. You'll notice that I didn't put any dimensionals in the middle of this one. And that's because I want this to be able to kind of squish down a little bit when I mail it. So I'm just going to pop this right in the middle. You could put it off to the side like that. You could put it wherever you like. You could angle it. For this example, I wanted it to be straight. So there we go like that. So that's the basic card. The Kisses and Hugs background paper with "You Are Always in My Heart." Nice, simple, clean, effective. I tend to do things relatively kind of that clean and fresh kind of look. I am just going to pop some of these sequins that came with the kit onto the front as well, just to give it that little added bling. So thank you so much for watching this first outside the box card using elements from the January 2022 paper pumpkin kit. So thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned for more ideas.